Midea has officially unveiled its next generation humanoid robot Miro U at an event in China. The robot is the world's first to feature a sixth arm wheel like design and is built for complex industrial tasks and high efficiency automation. Miro used an upgraded version of Midea's previous wheeled humanoid robot, which began operation in August. The older models worked alongside autonomous mobile robot units, single arm four wheel bots, KUKA robotic system, and human workers. The new Miro U will join the setup to boost further operational efficiency. The President Well Chung confirmed that Miro U is a third generation model. The robot supports vertical lifting and 360-degree in place rotation. It features six bionic mechanical arms with precision control and fast switching end effector modules for different tasks. Midea developed the full stack house in house. Midea plans to deploy it at high end washing machine factories by the end of the year. They will improve the takt time and increase production line efficiency by 30%. The company said it will continue to invest in artificial intelligence and robotics. Large scale deployment of human robots are required in their long term strategy.